Welcome to this step-by-step setup guide for your new Epson Expression Premium XP-6100 Small-in-One printer. Setting up a new printer can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but if you follow along with these simple steps, we will have everything running smoothly together in no time. To start off, carefully open the box and unpack all of the included items. You should find the printer itself, the power cord, the setup CD-ROM, the quick guide, and a set of initial ink cartridges. Now keep in mind that if you ever plan to print directly onto CDs or DVDs down the road, the specialized CD-DVD tray is stored right underneath cassette 2 at the bottom. Next, begin removing all of the blue protective tape and packing materials from the outside of the machine. Once the exterior is clear, gently lift up the main scanner unit to access the inside and remove all of the protective paper and internal tape securing the printhead. While you are in here, keep in mind that you should avoid touching the flat white cable or the printhead path, as doing so could cause damage to delicate components. After that, once everything inside is completely removed, you can gently lower the scanner unit back into place. Now that your printer is unpacked, it is time to turn it on and configure your basic settings. Connect the power cord to the port on the back of the printer and plug the other end into an electrical outlet. Keep in mind that you should not connect a USB cable to your computer just yet. Next, press the power button to turn the printer on, tilt the front control panel to an angle that is comfortable for you to view, and then select your preferred language using the display screen and navigation buttons. Once this is done and your language is set, you are ready to install the ink cartridges. Lift the scanner unit once again. Take out the standard black cartridge, marked as BK, and shake it gently back and forth a few times before opening its package. Now keep in mind that you should only shake the standard black cartridge. Do not shake the photo black or any of the color cartridges. After that, carefully unpack all of the cartridges and remove the protective cap from each one. Keep in mind that you can save these caps to recap the cartridges if you ever need to remove them later for storage or disposal. Next, insert each cartridge at an angle into its corresponding color-coded holder. Then press down firmly until you hear a clear click. Once all the cartridges are snapped securely into place, lower the scanner unit, select Installed on the screen, and press the OK button to begin charging the ink. This charging process takes about 10 minutes, so feel free to take a quick break. During this time, keep in mind that you must not turn off the printer or lift the scanner unit, as doing so will waste ink. Once this is done, a completion message will appear on the display screen. Now that the ink system is ready, you can go ahead and load your paper. Lower the front cover and pull out the paper cassette you want to use. Keep in mind that cassette 1 is designed for small photo paper up to 5 by 7 inches, while cassette 2 holds standard letter A4, legal, or 8 by 10 paper. Next, slide the side edge guides outward, then insert your paper with the glossy or printable side facing down. Make sure the paper is pushed against the back of the cassette and is not sticking out from the front. After that, slide the side edge guides back in so they rest comfortably against the edges of the paper without bending it. Once this is done, keep the cassette flat and slide it all the way back into the printer. Then select your paper settings on the control panel, pull out the output tray, and follow the on-screen prompts to adjust the print quality alignment so you get crisp prints right away. Next, you are ready to install the software on your computer. Make sure your printer is still not connected with a USB cable. Insert the setup CD into your computer, or if you do not have a disk drive, simply open your web browser, visit epson.com/support/XP-6100 and download the drivers and utilities combo package for your operating system. After that, open your Downloads folder, double-click the setup file to launch the installer, and follow the clear instructions on your screen. When you reach the connection selection screen, choose whether you want to connect wirelessly or using a direct USB cable. If you choose a wireless connection, the installer usually connects automatically. But if this happens to fail, you may just need to select your network name and type in your password. Keep in mind that the printer connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, so make sure your router's 2.4 band is enabled. If you prefer a USB connection, simply plug in your USB cable when the installer asks you to do so. Finally, now that your printer and software are all set up, you can also easily scan documents and photos whenever you need. To scan, lift the document cover, place your original document or photo face down on the scanner glass, aligning it with the front left corner mark, and then gently close the cover. On the printer's control panel, select Scan and choose your preferred destination, such as saving to a computer, a memory card, or sending to the cloud. You can also initiate scans directly from your computer using the Epson Scan 2 software, or right from your smartphone using the Epson Smart Panel app. Once this is done, your Epson XP-6100 setup is complete, and you can easily print and scan from all your devices whenever you need.